Good day. I am Jan Matthew B. Rojas, and for our finals requirement, I am gonna discuss about applying management in real life, things such as tools, techniques, solving management related problems, and even principles in real world applications. So, planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling are the five basic elements of management. We are about to discuss how we properly utilize these five to systematically accomplish things in the real world. So for this real life example, we did a feeding program for the elementary students of a public school for our philosophy project. Everyone had their roles and we had a strict schedule to follow. We had to carefully plan everything, and even the vendor was contacted by our leader, and we asked the vendor to sell all of his product for our project. In this next example, I captured this photo of my group as I was serving as the leader for this task. In my leadership style, I assigned everyone with different roles and asked them if it's fine with them because I think that I am doing better when I hear feedbacks. We also had to follow a strict timeline and carefully plan this project. In this third and last example, this is a trip of our group, and me and the guy holding the camera planned this trip. So we had the means to plan everything, book the resort, and keep everyone updated if and how everything is gonna pan out. Leadership styles. There are different leadership styles. It usually depends on the personality of the person on how they lead. Members and those involved also have their preferred leadership style that they want to follow. So in the three real life examples that I have given, we have encountered three different leadership styles, and I also managed to share how I lead. So staffing. When it comes to staffing, we also need to find the perfect role for everyone in the group or in the project. In some cases, when we can find the perfect role, people need to step up as their peers are relying on them. Lastly is I have mentioned that members usually respond well when they like the style of their leader as everyone prefers their own style. Different ways of controlling. Everyone has their own way of being in charge or controlling things. I have encountered many different styles in this course, from the professor and even when I interviewed my father. I think that I work well when they are controlling me in a strict way but still manages to be in charge and be hands-on with me. In this course, I have realized that leadership styles matter and that everyone prefers their own style, may that be in leadership or when they are just following. The important thing is they will still follow and get the job done. I realized that every aspect of management is important for your vision to be put into action. From the examples that I shared, I know that I still have a lot to learn, but I realized that I have grown so much in just a short period of time.